Hey everyone, this is Rashmi and today I am going to discuss about the solution of a quadratic equation by complete square method. The given question is 14 equal to 0 and here we will use any one of these two equations, a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Now in this given question, the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. So if we divide the equation by 1, we will get the same value. Now we will express the term in a square minus 2ab plus b square. First term is x square, then minus 2 into x, 5 is already present. So since we have introduced the term 2, that's why we have to write down 1 by 2. So that the nature of the equation will be same. Now since here we have introduced this term, that's why after cancellation 2 1 by 2, the remaining value will be 5x and here this is minus 14. So minus 14 is equal to 0. Now let us arrange the term x square 2 into x, 5 into 1 by 2 can be written down 5 by 2. Now if you compare the value with this formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we need the b square term, then only we can express the value in a minus b whole square. So here this is equal to a, this variable is equal to b. So b square will be 5 by 2 whole square. Now since 5 by 2 is not present in this equation, we have added this term from ourselves. That's why we have to write down this value minus 5 by 2 so that after simplification we are getting the same value as in the second line. Now here remain it is minus 14. So minus 14 is equal to 0. Now see, this 3 term is equal to a minus b whole square. So it becomes x minus 5 by 2 whole square. If we move the terms to the right hand side, it becomes 5 by 2 whole square plus 14. Now let us simplify the values in the right hand side. 5 by 2 whole square, the values will be 25 divided by 4 plus 14. Here the LCM value will be 4. So let us take the LCM 4. So it becomes 25 plus 14 into 4. The value is equal to 56. Now 25 plus 56, the value is equal to 81. So we are getting 81 by 4. Now you can see that 9 square is equal to 81, 2 square is equal to 4. So we can write down 9 by 2 whole square. So let us write down the values. X minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 9 by 2 whole square. Let us take root over to the both side, then x minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to plus minus 9 by 2 whole square root over. So here this is 2 and after taking the root over, the value will be x minus 5 by 2. Right hand side value will be plus minus 9 by 2. Okay. Now x minus 5 by 2, this term 5 by 2 can be moved to the right hand side. So it becomes x equal to 5 by 2 plus minus 9 by 2. Now you can see that again we can take the LCM value is equal to 2. So we can write down x equal to here 2 LCM. So x equal to LCM is equal to 2. Then the numerator will be 5 plus minus 9. 5 plus minus 9. Now since here it involves plus minus sign, that's why we will get two solutions. First we will consider plus value, then we will consider minus value. First solution let us denoted by x1. Second solution let us denoted by x2. So x1 will be 5 plus 9 divided by 2. x2 will be 5 minus 9 divided by 2. 5 plus 9, the value is equal to 14. 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. 5 minus 9, the value is equal to minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 2. So we are getting the solution 7 and minus 2.